Just what exactly is the LOC, or lack of convergence test, used by officers in DWI arrests? The lack of convergence test is commonly taught in the A.R.I.D.E, or Advanced Roadside Impaired Driving Enforcement course. This course defines a lack of convergence as the inability of an individual to cross their eyes when focusing on a stimulus as it is moved towards the bridge of their nose. The stimulus the subject is asked to follow can be the officer's index finger, a pen, or some other type of stimulus the officer chooses to use. The LOC testing procedure, per the A.R.I.D.E manual, says to begin by moving the stimulus in a circle in front of the subject's face. Observe the eyes to verify the subject is tracking the stimulus. Slowly move the stimulus in towards the bridge of the nose. The instructional stage is as follows. Inform the subject that you will be moving the stimulus around in a circle and will be moving it toward the bridge of their nose. In addition, inform the subject that you will not actually touch the nose with the stimulus. This notice is important so the individual will not move their head away. Instruct the subject to keep their head steady and follow the stimulus with their eyes only. Position the stimulus approximately 12 to 15 inches in front of the subject's nose, in the same position as used in the HGN test. Law enforcement officers should not touch the bridge of the nose with the stimulus. According to A.R.I.D.E, normal convergence occurs at a distance approximately 2 inches from the bridge of the nose. If the eyes converge or cross when the stimulus is approximately 2 inches from the bridge of the nose, the lack of convergence is not present. Furthermore, A.R.I.D.E adds under test interpretation, the subject's eyes should come together and converge, as they track and remain aligned with the stimulus. If the eyes are less able to converge, i.e. they both come together when the stimulus is stopped approximately 2 inches from the bridge of the subject's nose, lack of convergence is not present. Lack of convergence is present if one eye or both eyes drift away or outward toward the side instead of converging toward the bridge of the nose. The A.R.I.D.E program follows this description by explaining what categories of drugs usually induce lack of convergence. These are CNS, central nervous system depressants, inhalants, dissociative anesthetics, and cannabis. The training then gives us some examples of LOC in the following. Left eye unable to converge. Both eyes begin to converge, however the left eye bounce down and back out. Both eyes unable to converge. Both eyes begin to converge, however they both stopped before the convergence was completed. There are no validated clues associated with the LOC test. The officer should note all observations associated with the test. The law enforcement officer should determine whether or not convergence is present and document their observations as to the movement of the eyes during the test.